Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be testing out a baby powder to set the concealer under the eye and use it like a highlight. And I'm also curious as to what a baby powder would do it. So I have it here, just a regular Johnson's baby powder. I'm very interested to know how this baby powder would do, so stick around, join me, and let's do it. So this will be my third video, so it's like almost the same with my prior videos. I don't really know which one I'm gonna post first, but somehow my face is not yet done, so I need to conceal under my eyes. So I'll be using the concealer from LA Girl, and of course my Maybelline. I always like it. And for sure I'm gonna test another concealer. Maybe you are already bored with my same concealer all the time, but I'm thinking about it, so don't worry, I'm gonna purchase another new one. So I'm gonna do a concealing over here and also a highlight over here. Olo. So that's the thing with this concealer, is the brush, sometimes it would squeeze better, sometimes it would not, and then sometimes it would sprit a lot or not even, but whatever, it's very cheap, so no baggies. So let's do that. Okay, and another one, because the Pro Girl is a little bit beigey, like beige, and this one is yellow, so I like mixing up. I don't like it. I don't like to mix up my concealer. I don't know, for me it's just different, or I don't know, because my skin tone is kind of a little work. I need my face like tone, and then I'm gonna spray my, it's not a wet brush, so I'll dab it with Max Fix Plus. So I'm gonna finish first this concealing, so I'm gonna blend this first and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I'm back now. The concealer is blended now to the skin. I also made some highlight over here, just a little bit. So I got my palette here and my baby powder, and I'm gonna do it. Let's do it. Let's do. Okay, that would be enough. I really wonder what kisay nakasuway ani. I use baby powder katong teenager pata, no? Now I'm gonna set it. Baby powder. Oh, kalisod. Yeah, we're okay. Ipo mo yan? Hoy! Maybe you utot, ha? Okay, time's up. So I just put a little bit of like contouring over here, just you know, following that highlight of powder. And now we're gonna dust it off and we'll do a flash test. You know, it's kind of blotchy over here. I hope it will not gonna stay that way. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, it settles on my dry patches, guys. Wow, look at that, it's so highlighted. It's not bad, it's nice though. It's a little bit hard to blend. So it does highlight my face, or it doesn't settle on my dry flakes. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll come back. Hi guys, so I'm back. So this is what the face looks like with a powder. I mean, it's beautiful though. I have no problems with blending. Oh well, a little bit here because I think it's a little bit too much, but eventually it does blend. And I think I like it, you know. If you don't have money and you have this, why not? Okay, but before anything else, we need to do a flash test, right? Because we need to make sure that everything is correct, or we how you call that, we test everything out. Flash on. Let's try it out. I hope I'm in focus. Let's see my camera here. Okay, go. Look at that. It's not that bad. I look fine. I guess if I'm running out of, you know, setting powder, I'm gonna use this. Does this work? Yes, it works. And if you're in a budget, use this. This is very all-purpose. If you have problems with allergies like talc or something, just avoid it, okay? These are my thoughts about using baby powder as a setting powder to set your concealer and foundation. If you like this video or if you learned something out from it, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and also the notification bell. And that's it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. So in natural lighting, this is what the face looks like with the powder after 2.5 hours. The only thing that I do observe is that it's like a little bit crunchy over here on, I don't know, it emphasizes my aging. Ang inyong ate na tiguang. It emphasizes my dry areas here. I would say with the setting powder and the baby powder, there's only a slight difference because the setting powder, they made it sure that it's really refined and the ingredients that they put into the product, so that's why it's really different compared to the baby powder. So these are my thoughts about this baby powder as a setting powder, and I would say it does work, and especially if you don't really have so much to cover like that, it can work. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget the notification bell, and till my next video.